Hi everyone. Today I am going to introduce you to Nuuly. I think that's how we say it. It is a subscription box from Anthropology. My friend Valerie was the one who recommended it, and thanks Val. I think it's a great deal for $88 a month. You get to pick 6 pieces. Ideally, you look at your calendar, you see what you need, and you pick out the pieces that you think you're gonna need that month. If you end up picking pieces that are really expensive, that you wouldn't really have a lot of wear and it would be sitting in your closet, it is quite a deal. Not only for you, but for the environment, as it would be a sustainable practice so that one outfit gets worn by several people. I don't know how much it would save the environment if we're shipping the stuff back and forth, but it sounded good. Anyway, so I picked 6 pieces, and within a few days, I received this cute little bag with them all wrapped up in there, and inside there is like a little sticker that you put out front and you stick to it, and after 30 days, you just bring it to UPS. The moment the UPS company scans it, you are ready to select your next 6 items. I was really happy with the clothes that came, and I was able to wear 5 of the 6 pieces first time around, which for me that's a win. Because of my body type, I find that tops are difficult to fit. As time goes by, I expect to get better at making the selection. If you compare this to the Nordstrom trunk, they're designing the outfit for you. You have a stylist that puts it together for you. So you're on your own when it comes to Nuuly, because I think that's how you say it. I haven't watched any videos, so I have no idea. You're your own stylist. So that's a little bit more of a challenge for me personally, who do not like to shop and pick clothes. But I think I did a good job. A pretty decent job. I really enjoyed and am looking forward to next month. So let's look at the first stop. This is just so lovely, so romantic, so full of detail. I'll try to put the price of the shirt here, the original price, so you know how much I would have paid. And in essence, I'm renting it for about $15 for a month and get to wear it and send it back. When you send it back, they will clean it all up for you. And if there was anything like a button that got lost or the zipper that broke, they will fix that. And they won't charge you for any of it. You will receive clean clothes ready to wear. Well, you might have to steam it. So let me show you the first piece. This is just so full of detail. So I wore this top for a Valentine's concert that all of my kids participated in, so that was so fun. And that's why I had to wear red shoes. I think I might have worn red lipstick and red nail polish too at the time. I really liked it. I might have worn this with black pants that were folded over so that gray would show and match the outfit, but I couldn't find the black pants today, so I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, let's move on to the next item. This top is simply beautiful and versatile. I have worn it several times this month because it's so adorable and easy. It's just a button down. The print is that of a peacock. And look at the sleeve detail. How beautiful is that? Just so lovely. And the blue trim. Today I decided to wear it with my orange flared out pants, just to put a little bit of color and spring. It needs ironing, so ignore that, but just look at the top. Super pretty. And the sleeves are perfect length for your bracelets, which I forgot to put one on, but you know what I mean. And I've worn it with jeans and flats and very casual. I love it. You can actually purchase the pieces at a discount price. If you decide that you've worn something and you really can't part with it, that's a thought. This eyelet top is just so cute. It has the little puffy sleeves and it doesn't really button up. It has one tiny little snap-on button right here, but it's like so. So you need a little shirt underneath it, and it's kind of short on the waist, so you wear it way up. I chose to just keep those pants on so I could show you. I had an issue with this. When I received it, I thought it wasn't as black as it should be. I think it should have been taken out of rotation, so I contacted Nuuly and they have given me a credit for it, plus an additional item for next month, and I was very satisfied with that. However, when I left a review on their site that the top came and it needed to be replaced, they sent me a letter saying that they weren't going to publish the review since the problem had been solved and it was a training problem that they were resolving. And I thought that was disingenuous. I thought they should have just let it be, because that's the right thing to do, and issue a response in their site. Again, my review specified that I was happy with the resolution. Ignore the wrinkled pants. Now you may have seen this top already from one of my videos. It is like a purple blue. I think it's so pretty. It has darting and the sleeves are puffy and it just feels like it has more details than you would expect. It is a pricey top for what it is, but I like it. I like the quality of it. Unfortunately, you do have to wear something underneath. I think when I wore it, I wore this fabulous necklace. It's just a little casual. You can wear it with jeans. Today I'm just wearing it with my sequin pants just because they're easy to put on. It is a nice long top, so you can wear them with your tights or leggings or just skinny jeans, even though those are out. I don't care, they still look cute. So that's one of the cool things about the subscription. You can actually sort your clothes by price from high to low, and in my case that's kind of what I did, and selected the higher end materials that would give me more bang for my buck. For $88 a month I can get a whole bunch of really cute stuff that I would never pay, say $300 for a dress to wear once. I thought that was a good deal. This is a gorgeous dress, and actually if maybe I had a either larger size or if I were a little bit skinnier, I wouldn't mind wearing this dress. I did not get a chance to wear it at all. Still having issues with this part, but I could put a shirt in here and maybe that would solve the side problem. This is one of the cutout dresses that, you know, will show your skin right there. But I'm pulling this up because I don't like that. The print is beautiful, the cut is gorgeous, and maybe if I were a little younger, if I loved the way my body was looking, super strong and skinny, I would totally wear it and love it because it is a beautiful dress.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches.
I chose to wear a chunky gold necklace with it and espadrilles.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that...
So this dress Some of you saw it on my 1000 Zoom call celebration. I thought it was super fun. I originally picked this dress to go to a jazz concert, but I ended up wearing something else. One of the things that you will find with any subscription box is that as you get more acquainted to the clothes and the sizing on the clothes you make better decisions. And I think I should have gotten a size bigger or not something so form-fitting, as this is obviously a little too tight for me as it is puckering up in the back. Take a look. I love how festive the dress is and casual at the same time. I'm wearing it with my short sandals because I already had them on, but you could also dress them up a little bit more with high heels.